Yes, I like it. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic, and thank you for tuning into this video. This is going to be a sneaker unboxing slash review. Don't be like Cam's Kicks. Always wear a mask. All right, let's get started. Oh yeah, always protect yourself. What the? Okay, I realized I freaking broke the mask. Oh my god. This is actually straight from Nike. Yes, yes, yes. And this is brand new because all of y'all like to see the real deal. I am going to pull this sexy Nike tab. You guys ready? This is going to be my real reaction. This is not fake. This is, oh my god, I loss of words. Ooh, it's actually a black box. That's actually kind of cool. Almost cut my lip with the cardboard. Let's slide this out. Hello, nothing in here. Always double check the inside contents to make sure it is actually empty. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, this is the typical black Nike pull-out box. Ooh, yeah. Okay, Air Max 90 QS Laser. Color is natural / natural summit white, size 12, my size. Oh, it's made in Vietnam. Okay, whatever. I thought it was gonna be made in China. Color code is DC7948100. It seems like someone tried to rip off the sticky and tried to stick it back. Is this a refunded pair? What? Oh man. Okay, let's pull this out. Ooh, okay. Carefully. This is expensive paper. This expensive black wood grain paper. Ooh, okay. It's actually, wow, it's actually double layered. Well, then you got the white expensive tissue paper. You know, to wipe your tears, wipe your bum when you get sweaty and excited during an unboxing. This is actually kind of cool. This feels like wood. Anything else in here? Hello? Hello? All right. Okay, now we're talking. But bam! This is, hold on a second. Why do I have a freaking fly on my palm? Air Max 90 Quick Strike, that's what the QS stands for, laser. This is actually lasered on. Wow, this entire upper, it is totally like wood. Whoa, this is kind of cool. Look at the bottoms, translucent outsole. You guys should know about the Air Max 90s. There's Air Max 1, Air Max 90s, Air Max 270s, 2090, 380, all different kinds of 90s. Air unit visible. Hello. Classic running shoe, but for me, if I'm gonna keep this, I'm gonna keep this. This is just gonna be for casual. I don't even run, I'm Asian. Let me pull out the lace here very carefully. It's actually very tight. Whoa, holy crap, the lace tips? Are you kidding me? Is it actually wood or plastic? I think it's plastic. Wow, it's got a Nike Swoosh lasered, like etched onto this. The inside, smell test? It doesn't smell bad, it smells like wood. Okay, now let's fold this out. You guys can take a look at the inside tongue. It is actually stitched on the patch. That is actually kind of cool. Let's take this expensive paper shoe tree out. Can I actually take out the insoles? Oh my god, you're making me drool. Whoa, look at that. The inside. This is the insole. That is cool. The bottom is basically the design of the outsole. Very close. Ooh, this feels kind of nice. Nike Air branding on the heel there. Etched on, laser etched, whatever, sexy etched. There's a couple. No, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, thank God. Leon, Asian, you can do some counting, I guess, for breathability because your feet will stink. I think this is peeling off a little bit. That's a little bit disappointing. Let me check out the other side real quick. Oh man, come on. I don't want any damages. These shoes are expensive. Here's the other one. Okay, it's more wrinkly, that's okay. You guys are curious about the actual tongue logo. Air Max classic logo right there. I'm going to give you a sexy 360 high definition music video at the end of this video. But this is actually crazy. I'm surprised. No wonder the price of this, I don't even know the price tag. $260 Canadian. That is insane. They don't even come with extra laces. That's a little disappointing. They should at least come with extra laces, different colors. But this is fire. I'm surprised. This quality is crazy. I've never seen this kind of design before on Air Maxes. This is definitely going straight to feet. I'm not even going to put sole shields, sole protectors. I know some of y'all's, if you actually have a pair, you're going to protect the bottoms. You might as well just wrap it up in a Ziploc bag. I'm actually impressed now that I got these shoes in hand. This is my real reaction. I don't even know what kind of leather this is. This could be synthetic, or it could actually be leather. Oh, sorry guys, getting distracted. Let's end this video. This smells like, yeah, this definitely smells like fake, but kind of real wood. I just realized the lace tips, they're plastic with the wood grain texture. Yeah, I'm going a little crazy. Let's end this video. I'm gonna do something where no one else would even think about. People like to do on feet. I'm gonna do on the insole. You ready? This is my on the insole review for you guys. I think it fits perfectly. It is nice. Let me step on these. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, now we're talking.